Hey guys, so today I will show you how to install the OG carbon fiber fender on a lowrider S. First thing first, we want to remove the stock fender and we want to make sure to keep the OEM hardware because we're gonna use them on our fender. So now we are ready to pre-assemble the carbon fiber fender. So we want to have this short portion of the fender facing front. And this part here facing front too. So we don't want to tighten those bolts yet. We want to make sure to adjust the perfect height of the fender compared to the wheels. So now I will put back the OEM hardware to make sure I have the proper adjustment on the fender. So now that the fender is back into place, I want to make sure that the adjustment is perfect. So you want to have a clearance of approximately 3/8 of an inch between the tire and the inside of the fender. So now that the fender is perfectly adjusted, I will take it back, put some Loctites on the bolt and torque them to the spec, 15 foot-pounds. So now that all the bolts are tied to specs and the fender is back on, I will torque these mounting screws to 90 inch-pound. So that's a wrap for the installation video of our front fender on the lowrider S. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more installation video. Cheers!